Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will be going through a tool called SpiderFoot. SpiderFoot is an open source intelligence, aka OSNet automation tool. It integrates with just about every data source available and utilizes a range of methods for data analysis, making that data easy to navigate. SpiderFoot has an embedded web server for providing a clean, intuitive web-based interface, but can also be used completely via the command line. It's written in Python 3 and MIT license-based, right? As you can see here, looking at the screenshot, it actually went through Uber, but I personally like using Google because it actually allows you to check if it has vulnerabilities and then report it via their bug bounty program. So Google does allow penetration testing, so that's why I like using it as an example. But as you can see here, Uber is also probably another company that allows it. As you can see, right? Unique data elements. Let's see, affiliate, domain, company, the IP address, IPv6 address. All right. Well, let's download the tool. So you could either on the Google search bar, you can either just put SpiderFoot and then GitHub, or you can actually just copy this address here, as you can see. All right. Or you can do this as well. Copy URL to clipboard, bang, and then we go to our command line. And before I do any of this, I actually like to download tools into a specific folder, right? That's separate. So I'm gonna do make dir tools, bang, ls, and then change directory to tools. And then we use the git clone command. What this does is this actually calls to GitHub to download the the directory of that tool, right? So the directory being the web address. So I'm gonna paste it, paste selection, bang. All right, this might take a while because this tool actually does a lot. It actually gets a bunch of information regarding the target. So here we go. Sorry about that. My internet's pretty quick, honestly. So there we go. There we go. LS Spiderfoot. All right. Sorry about that. I live in the hood. Alrighty. So we're gonna run the SF Pi file, but sometimes it's better to install the requirements, the pip requirements, before you actually do that. So what you would do is pip 3 install R flag requirements .txt. As you see, it's downloading the needed library and the modules that this program is going to use. While that's happening, let's read the instructions of how this program could be run. Let me see. So we did that. Into the directory file, like we said, the pip3 install requirements. And then we run the program using this command down here. So that's important as well. Just copy it. Hold on, sorry about that. Bang, here we go. Piece selection, boom. Hopefully it runs smooth without any drama. So now we copy this address right here, right? This IP, and then we use that and we post it to our browser. Paste and go. Bang. The program seems to be running fine. So now, as you can see, there's a couple options up here, right? I guess if you want to set up your uh your SpiderFoot program to do more or do specific things, you can do this as well. Import API keys, export API, reset to default. What we want to do is we want to scan a target, right? So this one's I'm gonna call it Google, and then the target, it can be either a domain name or the IP address. But we're gonna use a domain name, obviously being google.com, and then it actually gives you options down here. So all will obviously get you everything this program can get you, and that could be practically everything. And then footprint, which I'm assuming will probably be network information, gain understanding about the target's network perimeter, associated entities, information that is obtained through a lot of web crawling and search engine. This would be good. Investigate, best for when the suspect's targets to be malicious but need more information. Some basic footprinting will be performed in addition to querying of blacklists and sources that may have information about the target's maliciousness. Passive, passive actually will use web sources to get information of a target without actually touching it, right? Like an Nmap scan of a server is touching it. But if you actually use a web source to do it for you, that's what passive is. Passive is to have somebody else do it for you. It's ignoring a target without really touching it, compared to what footprint does. But the all option does all of this in the bottom, so that's what we're gonna do. Run scan. Hopefully it runs well. Starting. Browser graph, scan settings. Alright. I guess we'll give it some time. There we go, there we go. We're getting information now. Percentage of unique elements. Link internal. Right. Domain registrar. App store entry. Honestly, this scan can go for about an hour or even more because it's Google, right? We all know, like I mentioned on my other videos, that Google has so many assets that I mean, it's in so many countries, it has so many technologies that this scan can take forever, but at least this program will give us information regarding that, right? So web server, let's click on that. Let's see what we got. It's google.com, sites. So this is like a domain name, sites.google.com. And this list can honestly keep growing. Like I said, it's just barely starting to scan. Let's try this one. Affiliate internet name, g.co, kids.youtube, tv.google, tv.youtube. So these are the associations to Google. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, scans. Yep. Email addresses belonging to Google. Well, you get my point, guys. Like I said, SpiderFoot, in my opinion, is one of the best tools you can use out there. And they give you a lot of information regarding the target. And they actually can do multiple scans regarding a target, right? Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and follow me on my social medias. Thank you.